Hello students, it's a new video of chapter Triangle, class 10 Mathematics, part 4 video. In this video we have to solve some more question by using BPT or converse of BPT. So one question in front of you, AB is parallel to D and figure is given in this question, and BD parallel to EF. BD parallel to EF. Then prove that DC square is equal to CF into AC. So let's see how we solve this question. If I say DC square is equal to CF into AC, so where is DC? This. DC is the part of this triangle. DC. CF this and AC this. Means we take both parallel line and using BPT from left and right. If I say in triangle for first parallel line, suppose so for first we take triangle ABC, and in ABC we only take this part, DE parallel to AB. If in this triangle DE parallel to AB, so by BPT but we write according to proving. We want DC, so DC is first part, and then we want AC. This is the whole part. We don't want AD. DC first, AC whole. So according to my proving, we use the question DC upon AC. So in right side CE upon BC. Equation first. Same in triangle. For here we take this part. So in triangle DCB, EF parallel to DB, EF parallel to DB. Same, we want CF and DC. CF and DC, first part upon whole part. Other side C upon BC by BPT. See first equation and second equation. Very carefully see first and second equation. In both equation is the right side same. So from first and second, DC upon AC is equal to CF upon DC, cross multiply, DC square is equal to AC into CF as proof. Okay, pause video, note down. Let's see one more question. In this given figure, PQ parallel to BA. PR parallel to CA. Then if PD is equal to 12, so find the value of BD into CD. Two parallel line, again in triangle, first parallel line, this, second parallel line, so in triangle RBD, QP parallel to RB. Same, we want first upon whole part. So here PD upon BD, because BD we want and PD is given. So first upon whole, so here from other side first upon whole by BPT. Same here, ABC, here we want BD BC. Yes, we take from the third side. So, when this third triangle, to which we not take this triangle, because we want BD, CD and PD is not in this triangle ABC, and we take triangle CQ, so in triangle DRP, QC parallel to RP, by BPT. Same, CD upon PD, and here DQ upon RD, first upon whole, first upon whole. From first and second equation, PD upon BD is equal to CD upon PD. So we get PD square is equal to BD into CD. Same in previous question. PD value is 12 square, (144 centimeter square. Pause with note down. Next topic of this chapter is Engel-Reiter theorem. Proving is not in your syllabus. Only 1-2 marks questions comes from this topic. What's topic? if any triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AP bisect angle A, means AP bisect angle A internally. So this line meet opposite side, so divide into two parts. So this division ratio BP and PC is the ratio of remaining sides. Means bisector line divide the opposite side in the same ratio of the remaining side. BP upon PC is equal to AB upon AC. If we take example, suppose this is 10 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, and AP bisect angle A in triangle ABC. AP bisect angle A. So BP upon PC is equal to AB upon AC. If the question say find the value of BP, so let the BP equal to X, so PC is equal to 8 minus X. So BP X, PC 8 minus X, AB 10, AC 6, cross multiply 6X, 80 minus 10X, 6X plus 10X, 16X is equal to 80, X is equal to 5 centimeter, means BP equal to 5 centimeter. Answer. Pause, we note down. One proving question we take on this topic. If a diagonal BD of a quadrilateral ABCD bisect angle B and angle D, prove that AB upon BC is equal to AD upon CD. Means ABCD diagonal BD bisect this, also this, means this part equal to this part and this part equal to this part. So prove that AB upon BC is equal to AD upon CD. So given whatever the given same cheese, to prove, this is to prove. One small construction, join AC. When you join AC, suppose the intercept at O, in triangle ADC, DO bisect angle D. So AO upon OC is equal to AD upon DC. AO upon OC is equal to AD upon DC. Same. BP upon PC is equal to AB upon AC. If we take next triangle ABC, BO bisect angle B, so AO upon OC is equal to AB upon BC. Same. So from first and second, both left sides are equal. So AD upon DC is equal to AB upon BC.